If you're looking for how to remove Calendly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to delete your Calendly account or leave an organization so you can fully remove access the right way. This is a quick and simple process, but there are a few important steps you want to follow carefully so you don't miss the verification or finalize the wrong option. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Calendly dashboard using the account you want to remove. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon or the account menu. This is where Calendly keeps all of your account and profile options. From the menu, select Account Settings or Profile. Depending on your account layout, the wording may look a little different, but both options will take you to the same place where you can manage your account details. Once you're inside, scroll down the page carefully until you reach the bottom of the profile section. Near the bottom, you should see the Delete Account option. Click that to begin the removal process. Calendly may ask what you want to do next, especially if your account is connected to an organization. In that case, choose the option that matches your goal. You may be deleting the account entirely, or you may just be disbanding an organization. Make sure you select the correct choice before continuing. After that, Calendly will send a verification code to your email address. Open your email inbox, find the message from Calendly, and copy the code. Then return to Calendly and type the verification code into the prompt. This step helps confirm that you are the rightful owner of the account and authorizing the deletion. Next, Calendly will ask you to select a reason for leaving. Choose the reason that best fits your situation. This is usually a required step before the final delete button becomes available. Once you've selected a reason, click Delete to finalize the process. At this point, your Calendly account removal request should be completed. If you are only leaving an organization, make sure to double-check that you've fully exited the right workspace or team. If you are deleting the account completely, your access should now be removed after confirmation, and that's how to remove Calendly step by step. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple how-to videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.